Welcome back. Now simply we will just close that list view dot and also the home screen dot, and we will go towards the image slider screen. As you guys can see in here, we just add the app bar, and you guys can see that. Now on, we will add the linear gradient color right to this app bar. So get this down from here, this title, and so now we will go towards the home screen and just copy some line of code for the linear gradient color for the app bar. So you guys can see that flexible space, that container, copy that from here to here and close that file, go toward the image slider screen, and here right in this app bar paste that. Now press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the changes for the app bar. There we go. Okay, it's working fine. So we have successfully just received the data right in here. Now we will just use it right in the design, as I told you already right in the previous videos. So we have to just set first the title. Now in here we will just remove that from here, and we will have a text widget, write it and comma and take this down. In here we will say widget dot title. Okay, now we will do some style for that. Just get this right in here. Now as usual, text style in here, and first we will set the font family. In here we will go with a Varela, VARELA, and also we will give the letter spacing for the specific title, and we will set this 2.0. as you guys can see. Now just add the const modifier to this text style so the yellow line will be gone. Now we will just set this title right in the center. So for that, what we will do, right in the text widget, below that in here we will simply say, by mistake when we remove one brace, so in here with it, as you guys can see that semicolon, with it add the brace, just the brace. Okay, so the error will be gone. As you guys can see, take this down, and below that text we will say center title, and we will just set this to true, so it's going to be right in the center, that specific title for the image slider screen. And also we will just add the icon. So in here we will say leading, and let's add the icon button in here. So it's going to take the on price event. For now on, just leave this empty. First we will just complete the UI design. So in here let's add the icon, which will be the arrow back, that first one. That is fine. And also let's get the color for it. So we will go with the colors. Let's choose the teal one, all just fine. And in here add the const modifier, as you guys can see. So we are done with that. Just press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the changes. There we go. Okay, with the icon, arrow back with the teal color, and you guys can see the title, bike for child, because we double click on that specific post, okay, which were bike for child. If you go back, we didn't add the navigator, so we have to go and in here just add the navigator in order to go back towards the home screen. So in here navigator dot push replacement, provide the contacts, and then we will provide the material page route, that specific route. In here contacts, from here we will just take this down so that you guys can see it easily. Now just get the user right toward the home screen. Okay, you guys can see the suggestion, and right at end put the semicolon. Now just press the Ctrl S. Okay, that is fine. Now come here and click upon that. It will just get you back towards the home screen. There we go. Okay, it's working totally fine. Now this one was bike for child. If you guys just double tap on this specific post which belongs to Andrew, there we go. As you guys can see the title now, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, it's working totally fine. We have successfully added the title with a beautiful design and also just add the lead in icon button. So basically that's it for this video. Right from the next video we will work further. So see you then.